Hi, Deadlock's here again, and today I'm doing something dumb.
Like normal.
Yeah, I have actually already practiced this. I know it is possible. It is certainly not easy. To the point where I'm having to get Mrs. D to help us get into the situation. Please. You need to.
Oh yeah, I need to put the
plug in. Plug in from the other side.
Man, it's dang old complicated, you know, man. It's like a dang old Rubik's Cube, man. You like talking about blue, red, man. Then you get to one side, and then you like messed up the other side, man.
There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, the hole's a bit snug for that.
Like that.
Yep. Right, so that's me well and truly stuck. I want to see if I can do something about that.
Well, I run away and leave him.
And just getting your tools into the lock is difficult.
I was going to say a different word.
I believe you. Now, I've deliberately not double locked these handcuffs purely because
He's going to get stuck.
yeah, if I get stuck I can get myself out. Mrs. D is on standby in case I need her anyway.
But I'm going to push it to the very limit of helping.
This is going to make this video very long if I drop this tensioner.
So don't drop it.
Okay, there we go. Tools in at last. And I can feel nothing. Nothing at all. Except for pain. I feel pain. And I'm dropping.
Excuse me. I apologize. We have a family audience. That was wrong and I won't do it again.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Right. New idea.
Well, back to my drawing board.
Try it that way. I got a prick or something. It's hard. There we go.
I won.
Did you get out?
There. Oh.
Now you have to get out of the cuffs.
Thank you. I was going to use a bobby pin there, but I might as well carry on with tools I've already been using.
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh God.
My hands are tired now. I'm just going to use the key for the other side. I'm out anyway. I'm not restrained anymore. Well, that was hard. And thank you, Coxie, for your 3D printing skills to 3D print that. That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.